The beauty of your face is like the beauty of your voice is bright. The one we love, Molmolum. Let sounds make known your charm tonight. Molmolum, Molmolum.
Your lips like a crimson flower just blooming fresh. Molmolum. One single glance, my heart's on fire like lightning flash. Molmolum. Your hair upon you shining bright flows down like silk. Molmolum. Your love is like a child's pure wish, so soft and deep. Molmolum. You're precious like the rice of Uzun, so rich and great. Molmolum. You're formed like silver, shaped by master, so fine and fair. Molmolum. Bel bükülür Molmolum, bel bükülür Molmolum. Üstü günsülü Molmolum, belgeli bolsun örmölüm. İki elin kızıl gül açılganday Molmolum. Bir karasam jürököt çagılganday Molmolum. Mandayın margalan jibindey Molmolum. Senin üstün balanın dileğindey Molmolum. Hey hey hey hey hey hey hey. Ötüp geten üskündün güründöy Molmolum. Sozulganın zergerdin külmeşindöy Molmolum. So smooth and rare. Turn out the deserts of my heart to gardens fair. I burn for you, my gentle one, no equal found. I search for you through night and day and called your name.
Your quiet steps, your fragrant trace like scent to bees. Each step you take leaves spice behind a trail so sweet.
If once your beauty touches me, in love I burn.
If you are kind and take my hand, a crying soul.
You're sweet like rice from fertile land, like silver shaped by careful hand. Your softness like a pacing sea, so smooth, so light in every deed.
Turn deserts in my heart so dry
to blooming gardens reaching high.
I burn for you, Molmolum.
No soul like yours in all mankind.
I search for you through night and day
and called your name along the way.
Your gentle steps, your fragrant air,
like spice that lingers everywhere.
If once your beauty touches me,
I burn in love so endlessly.
If you are kind and give my plea,
a lonely soul cries out to thee. Is this my fate that's written so I didn't know?
Molmolum.
Yet still my heart ignores it all
and longs for you, Molmolum.
And once you show yourself to me, like moon through clouds,